Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Safika binti Saleh, pneumatic number 17DIB19F2011. My partner name is.
Hi, my name is Lailatul Atika binti Nimat. My number matric 17 DIB 19F2005.
Alright, today we will present about a role play, which is a customer has about a new gaming computer and claims that it doesn't comply with the characteristics specified by the manufacturer. And in role play have a two parts, which is part one have a customer and customer service, and part two have customer and technician. And for your information, I ask a customer and my partner asks.
Customer service and technician.
Alright, let's start to part one.
Hi, good morning. May I help you please?
Hi, good morning. I am Safika and I would like to complain about my new computer gaming that I have purchased last week.
Oh, sure. May I know what the problem is?
I have found a few problems with the characteristics specified by the manufacturer and my computer.
Can you briefly tell me what the problem is?
It seems like the version of the operating system for this computer is not Windows 10 as your promoter told me last week. And when I tried to upgrade my game, it lagged.
We are sorry to miss any inconvenience caused by. I will refer you to our technician to resolve your problem.
Okay, my pleasure. Alright, and to part one, let's move on to part two. Let's start.
Hi, miss. What can I do for you, please?
I already told your staff about my problem. Did I need to tell you again? You should know the problem well.
Sorry, miss. I already refer to our staff, and I will try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible.
So, what are the solutions that you can offer to me?
I will upgrade your operating system to Windows 10 and the cost will be covered by us.
How long will it take?
Usually, we only take about 4 to 5 hours to upgrade the operating system. And you can go to another place while waiting.
Wait. I have a more problem, which are that I found that my computer experience late whenever I play a game.
May I know the size of memory for that game?
I already installed 3 games on this computer, which are the Bed Star, Anime Enum, and FIFA, and it's only take about 8 gig, but your promoter told me this computer can have 16 gig RAM and 1 tera hard drive. And why do you think so about this problem? It is so troublesome and stressful for me as I purchased this computer with the purpose for gaming.
I think your gaming computer could be lagging due to a number of reasons. Common one are outdated drivers, faulty hardware, application running in the background, a virus and overheating. This can lead to lag speeds.
Okay, but not only that, I also found out that sometimes when I turn on my computer, nothing shows out on the monitor. I'm very shocked because I take care of this computer nicely.
For your information, Miss, there are a few other potential causes regarding your computer. For example, when a computer turns on but doesn't show anything on the monitor, it means that it means that either the monitor is faulty or that the computer is failing to run the power on self-test or pause due to an internal hardware error. So I need to check first if there is a risk of something wrong in your monitor other issue. Any other problems?
Alright, last but not least, this computer also keeps unexpectedly rebooting or shutting down whenever I use it for a long time. Can you explain to me what exactly happened to my computer?
I think your computer is overheating. For example, if your computer keep suddenly resetting itself without any input on your end, chances are that something inside the computer is overheating. The manufacturer usually design this so that your computer can detect it abnormally high temperature and shut down immediately to avoid any damage. I can suggest you to use a cooling pad or make sure all the fans in your CPU are spinning when the computer is on. Please avoid any abundance of cables or other obstacles which could block airflow from the fans. Then I would like you to know as soon as possible when figure out the problem. It might take longer for us to solve it. I hope you can understand our circumstances.
Alright, I understand you.
Okay, I will contact you when your computer are ready.
Okay, thank you. I will leave this computer to you.
Thank you, Miss. Bye. Assalamualaikum.